Hello friends, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture of machines, I'm going to talk about auto transformer. So, what is auto transformer? Actually, we know earlier lectures in the earlier lectures we have discussed about transformer. They are called as two-winding transformer. What is a two-winding transformer? There is no connection between primary and secondary. This is the primary winding, okay, and suppose step down transformer है तो this is the secondary winding. There is no interconnection between primary and secondary, so these two windings are electrically isolated. They are coupled magnetically, right? So if you measure the resistance between this winding and here, you will get infinite resistance. But in case of auto transformer, it is a transformer with one winding only. You can say this is the auto transformer, only one winding, which is common to both primary and secondary. So they are coupled electrically also. Okay, so this is called as auto transformer. It is a transformer with one winding only. This winding is common to both primary and secondary. That's why both primary and secondary are not electrically isolated from each other, as in case of two winding transformer. Okay, due to only one winding, auto transformer requires less copper for winding, hence it is cheaper, because only one winding is there which is common to both primary and secondary. यहाँ से connection निकाल लिया है. Clear? That's why it will save the copper. We'll discuss how it will save the copper, what is the amount of copper will be saved. So you can say here AB, it is AB is what? N1 turns. AB is having N1 turns, clear? And BC, you can say B to C, this is having N2 turns. BC is having N2 turns. So you can say primary is connected with the voltage V1 is higher voltage, clear? And secondary voltage number of turns. So secondary number of turns are less, so secondary voltage will be less. Okay, it is a step down. But you can say this is the primary and this is the secondary is having more turns, so it is a step up transformer, right? Step up auto transformer, right? So यहाँ से प्राइमरी वोल्टेज ज्यादा है तो प्राइमरी करंट कम रहेगा, I1 will be less, और I2 यहाँ से जा रहा है लोड को, that is more, because secondary turns are less, power will be same. secondary turns कम है तो क्या होगा? secondary voltage कम होगा, power same है तो secondary current will be more, so I2 will come here, I1 will come here, right? So what is the current here? What is the current here? IC equal to I2 minus I1, this current IC, okay, and this is okay. So this is the auto transformer, okay. I'm rubbing it. So you can say auto transformer क्या होता है? Which is having only one winding which is common to both. These two windings, primary and secondary, electrically connected. Advantages. What are the advantages? पहला एडवांटेज क्या है इसका कि it saves the copper. Weight of copper required in auto transformer is always less than weight of copper required in टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर. इन टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर में दोनों वाइंडिंग सेपरेट रहेंगी, दोनों वाइंडिंग क्या रहेगी? कॉपर विल बी रिक्वायर्ड सेपरेटली, बट यहाँ पर क्या है? एक ही वाइंडिंग है विच इज कॉमन टू बोथ प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी, हेंस कॉपर विल बी रिक्वायर्ड मोर. एंड मैं आपको एक चीज बता दूं, अगर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रेशियो के इक्वल टू 2 है, के इक्वल टू है, तो size of auto transformer would be approximately 50% of the corresponding two winding transformer. अगर ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर ले रहे हैं और k इक्वल टू 2 है तो 50% सेविंग विल बी देयर. क्लियर? सो पहला एडवांटेज क्या है? इट सेव्स द कॉपर रिक्वायर्ड इन ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर. ओके, k is less, saving will be more. K is near to 1, not less. K is near to 1, copper will be saving will be more. और अगर जितना ज़्यादा डिफरेंस होगा saving will be less. K इक्वल टू से 20 है या रेशो जो है 1 to 20 या 20 to 1 है तो saving will be less. Okay. Second, due to less winding resistance and reactance of an auto transformer, its regulation is better. मतलब regulation कम हो जाएगी. Better का मतलब है कम. Because resistance and reactance of the winding will be less, so drop will be less. Third, due to less copper loss, efficiency will be more. Copper loss कम हो गया तो efficiency will be more. These are the advantages of auto transformer. Disadvantage. What is the disadvantage? There is no electrical isolation between primary and secondary. Clear? इसका मतलब है if there is no electrical isolation between primary secondary, hence there will be possibility of shock. शॉक लगने के चांस रहेंगे. So that is the drawback of two winding transformer. In the an auto transformer. In two winding transformer क्या होगा? यहाँ सप्लाई दिया आपने, यहाँ किसी बाई मिस्टेक आपने टच कर लिया कहीं भी, you will not get shock because this primary and secondary is electrically isolated. Now what are the applications? पहला application क्या है? To supply variable voltage to start three-phase induction motor. It is working as a variac. Variable voltage देना you can use the auto transformer. इसको variac भी बोलते हैं. Say here this is the primary. Okay, this is the secondary. ये variable है. आप उसको ऊपर नीचे करोगे तो क्या होगा? Secondary turns will be changed. Secondary voltage will change. It will give the variable voltage. Second application का it is working as a booster to raise the voltage on AC feeder. Sometimes secondary voltage drop ज़्यादा होने से ट्रांसमिशन लाइन में वोल्टेज कम मिलता है रिमोट प्लेस में, तो हम वहाँ पर बूस्टर लगा देते हैं. बूस्टर लगाने से क्या होता है? It will increase the voltage. So it is working as a booster on the AC feeders. Clear na? So it is working as a booster. So we are using a auto transformer there, right? So these are the advantage, disadvantage and application. Now the next I am going to discuss about the saving, copper saving in auto transformer. That is the advantageous thing. Saving will be there. Second thing क्या होगा? Copper required will be more because of one winding. So weight will decrease. Installation cost will decrease. Transportation cost will also be decreased, right? Now saving I am going to discuss. Saving, copper saving in auto transformer. We know in auto transformer we have only one winding which is common to both primary and secondary. So because of that saving of copper will be there. We are going to discuss it. Now we will discuss the saving of copper in auto transformer compared to conventional two winding transformer. We know the weight of copper of any winding depends upon its length. Weight of copper depends on what? Length and cross-sectional area. These are the two things, length and cross-sectional area, right? Weight of copper of any winding depends on what? Length and cross-sectional area. Length का मतलब है more the number of turns, more the length. So length का मतलब हो गया number of turns, more the turns, more the length. So यहाँ length के बदले में लिखेंगे n, number of turns. Similarly cross-sectional क्या होगा? Current carrying capacity will be more. Cross-sectional area कम है तो cross-sectional area कम है तो क्या होगा? Current will be less. So I. So in place of weight of कॉपर के बदले में लेंथ इंटू क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया लिखने के बदले में हम लिखेंगे नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स इंटू आई. सो आप चाहो तो इसको इससे रिप्लेस कर सकते हो. मोर द वेट ज्यादा चाहिए मतलब वॉल्यूम ज्यादा होगा ना, वॉल्यूम ज्यादा होगा तो वेट ज्यादा होगा. वॉल्यूम मतलब लेंथ इंटू एरिया, तो लेंथ क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स. मोर द नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स मोर द लेंथ, लेस द नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स लेस द लेंथ, एंड एरिया मोर द करंट मोर द एरिया, राइट? सो एन आई. Again, length of conductor in winding is proportional to turns and cross-sectional area varies with the rated current. So weight of copper in winding is directly proportional to the product of number of turns and rated current. तो ये हम वेट को इससे रिप्लेस कर देंगे. ओके, so just only for idea I am giving this one, I am rubbing it. So suppose करो कि I have a ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर है, ये कौन सा ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर है, स्टेप डाउन. इट इज सॉरी, ये I1 आ रहा है यहाँ से और I1 इज लेस और I2 इज मोर. सो I2 सॉरी, ये जो करंट है थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया इधर. आई एम गोइंग टू करेक्ट इट. ओके, सो दिस इज नॉट दिस, दिस इज व्हाट I2 minus I1, because I2 is step down transformer, so secondary current will be more current will come here. So it is what I2 यहाँ से जा रहा है और I1 यहाँ से आ रहा है. So this current will be I2 minus I1. Okay, this is I1, this is I2, right? Now first, number of weight of copper in AC section, इस सेक्शन में, इस A to C सेक्शन में इतने में और B to C सेक्शन में निकालेंगे. वेट ऑफ कॉपर इन AC सेक्शन में क्या होगा, नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स A to B कितनी है, N1, और ये कितनी है, N2. So N1 minus N2, that is the number of turns from A to C, right ना. A to C number of turns क्या होंगी, N1 minus N2, N2 है और ये N1 है. So N1 minus N2, करंट यहाँ कितना है, I1 into I1. That is the weight of copper in AC section. वेट ऑफ कॉपर इन BC सेक्शन यहाँ निकालते हैं. BC सेक्शन में कितने टर्न्स है, N2, राइट, इनटू करंट कितना है, I2 minus I1, राइट. सो N2 into I2 minus I1, ये I2 minus I1 है. ओके, so total weight of copper in winding auto transformer, total weight of turns कितना होगा, weight of copper required, this plus this, this plus this. So N1 minus N2 into I1 plus N2 into I2 minus I1. इसको ओपन कर देते हैं, N1 I1 minus N2 I1 plus N2 I2 minus N2 I1. ओके, सो N1 I1 plus N2 I2 और ये minus 2 times of N2 I1, राइट. ये आएगा टोटल वेट ऑफ कॉपर रिक्वायर्ड इन ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर. ओके, और N1 I1 और N2 I2 will be same. आप देख लो, N1 I1 और N2 I2 will be same. Why? MMF will be same, nearly same. Primary से N1 I1 equal to N2 I2 will be same always, क्योंकि N1 क्या शो करता है, वोल्टेज, और ये क्या शो करता है, करंट. VA rating on primary side और VA rating on the secondary side. More the voltage, less the current. So VA rating on primary and VA rating on secondary will be same. So यहाँ N1 I1 plus N2 I2 के बदले में लिखेंगे 2 N1 I1, okay, minus 2 N2 I1, right? So I got this. This is the total copper required in auto transformer. So 2 common लिया तो क्या आएगा, 2 N1 I1 minus N2 I1, right ना? So I got this formula for total copper required in in a auto transformer. तो याद रखना ये, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, अभी हमारे पास 2 वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर है. सो इन केस ऑफ 2 वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर, दिस इज द प्राइमरी, this is the secondary. There is no, both are electrically isolated. Okay, so क्या आएगा, N1 I1 प्राइमरी साइड और सेकेंडरी साइड क्या होगा, N2 I2. सो टोटल वेट ऑफ कॉपर रिक्वायर्ड, weight of copper required N1 I1 plus N2 I2. Okay, so N1 I1 equal to N2 I2, so क्या आएगा, 2 N1 I1, right? So we will get, now we got in case of 2 winding transformer. So in case of 2, weight of copper required in auto transformer upon weight of copper required in 2 winding transformer equal to क्या होगा, ये तो आपको मालूम था, पिछले स्लाइड में देखा था, 2 N1 I1 minus N2 I1 upon 2 N1 I1. This 2 will be cancelled. So N1 I1 minus N2 I1 upon N1 I1, N1 I1 will be cancelled, 1 आएगा, और यहाँ यहाँ आ जाएगा I1 कैंसिल, ओके, दिस विल बी कैंसिल्ड, okay, so you will get 1 minus n2 upon n1, and since हमने हर जगह लिया n2 upon n1 इक्वल टू क्या लिया है, v2 upon v1 इक्वल टू क्या लिया है, e2 upon e1 इक्वल टू क्या है, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रेशियो k, so this will be k, so 1 minus k, so weight of copper required in auto transformer upon weight of top required in two winding transformer equal to 1 minus k. So weight of auto transformer equal to this weight of two winding transformer 1 minus k. So this minus this weight of auto transformer equal to क्या आ गया, ये आगे इसको ओपन करेंगे, so क्या करेंगे, वेट ऑफ टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर, ये उधर जाएगा ये इधर आएगा, सो क्या आएगा, वेट ऑफ टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर माइनस ये आएगा वेट ऑफ ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर इक्वल टू ये उधर जाएगा इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, के टाइम्स वेट ऑफ टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर। इसका मतलब ये क्या है, सेविंग है ना, वेट ऑफ कॉपर रिक्वायर्ड इन टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर माइनस वेट ऑफ कॉपर रिक्वायर्ड इन ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर, दिस इज सेविंग। कितनी सेविंग होगी, ये कितनी होगी, के टाइम्स weight of copper required in two winding transformer, means more the k more the saving, less the k less the saving, okay, so it will be k times weight of two winding transformer, more the k more the saving, clear, k equal to 1 है मान लो, 1 तो पॉसिबल नहीं है लेकिन सपोज करो 1 है तो क्या आएगा, सेविंग विल बी 100%, लेकिन k अगर पॉइंट k विल बी 0.9 0.8 0.7 लाइक दैट, सो क्या होगा इन केस ऑफ स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर, तो सेविंग, और जितना कम होता जाएगा ये k का डिफरेंस बढ़ता जाएगा, k सपोज करो 50% है, 0.5 है तो 50% सेविंग होगी, क्लियर, 20% है मतलब स्टेप डाउन आपने ज्यादा किया है तो सेविंग 20% होगी, लाइक दैट, सो दैट इज द फार्मूला वी विल यूज, k टाइम्स वेट ऑफ ट्रांसफार्मर टू वाइंडिंग ट्रांसफार्मर, दैट इज द सेविंग, तो सेविंग इक्वल टू क्या होगा, सेविंग इक्वल टू k टाइम्स weight of copper required in two winding transformer, k times, okay, so that is the saving, so please that is very very important formula, examiner may also ask some questions on it, clear, in MCQ also and also in practical or in oral also, saving, okay, so I'm going to discuss some numerical based on that. So this is the auto transformer I have, supplies a load of 5 kilowatt, supplies a load of, okay, load कितना है 5000 watt at 125, V2 is given 125 volt and power factor is what, unity. If the primary voltage is 250, V1 equal to given 250, okay, if the primary voltage is 250 volt, determine transformation ratio K. First they are asking find the K equal to क्या होता है, V2 upon V1, V2 कितना है 125 volt, this one, and V1 equal to what, 250, so I am getting 0.5, that is the first answer I am getting. Second answer they are asking secondary current, okay, so secondary current we know I2 equal to power कितना दिया 5000, okay, upon V2 125 into power factor equal to 1, okay, so in this way you will get, this is approximately 40 ampere I am getting I2, right. Third, primary current we know, third we know K equal to what, I1 upon I2 इक्वल टू K कितना है 0.5. So you will get I1 equal to what? I2 कितना है? What is I2? 40 ampere into 0.5 equal to 20 ampere. Fourth question, they are asking number of turns on the secondary if the total number of primary turns is 250. So we know N2 upon N1 equal to what? K. So they are asking N2 equal to N1 कितना दिया है 250 turns are given here. K कितना है 0.5. So you will get 125 turns. Question number part 5 E. Power transformed. Power transformed क्या होता है? Power transformed. Okay. So power transformed होता है load into 1 minus K. लोड कितना है 5 किलोवाट इंटू 1 माइनस के कितना है 0.5. सो 1 माइनस 0.5 इंटू 5 2.5 किलोवाट. दैट इज द पावर ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड. क्लियर. एंड लास्ट पार्ट है सिक्स्थ. पावर कंडक्टेड डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द सप्लाई मींस टू लोड. अगर पावर ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड आप 0.5 कर रहे हैं और लोड कितना है टोटल 5 है. सो पावर conducted directly from supply power conducted directly from supply equal to what? Total और transformed through that 2.5. so directly कितना जा रहा है 2.5 किलोवाट. क्लियर ना. सो टोटल लोड की रिक्वायरमेंट 5 है. थ्रू ट्रांसफॉर्म पावर ट्रांसफॉर्म कितना कर रहा है 2.5. सो डायरेक्टली कितना जाएगा 2.5 किलोवाट. These are the answers we have. And this is really very simple concept we have. You can do it. Okay. So I'm going to rub it. Okay. Question number 2. An auto transformer is used to step down primary voltage V1 equal to क्या है 220 volt and V2 कितना है 200 volt. We are step down from 220 to 200 volt. Okay. So you will get K transformation ratio K equal to what? V2 upon V1. Transformation ratio V2 upon V1 कितना है 200 upon 220. 20 upon 22. I am going to use the calculator. I am getting it. Okay. So with the help of calculator, I am getting 0.909. That is the K I am getting. Okay. So weight of copper required. So weight determine the amount of copper saved to equivalent to winding transformer. Okay. So weight of copper required. Weight of copper required equal to क्या होता है K times weight of copper required in K times weight of copper required in two winding transformer. Weight of copper required equal to क्या होगा K times weight of copper required in two times of. Hence I want economy. मेरे को ये नहीं चाहिए था ये. I want economy or amount of copper saved. Economy or amount of copper saved compared to two winding transformer. कितना सेव होगा K के बराबर. तो कितना होगा इक्वल टू व्हाट 0.909 9, it is very near to k 1. तो जितना ज्यादा k नियर टू 1 होगा उतना ज्यादा सेविंग होगी. सो कितना होगा, इक्वल टू व्हाट, 90.9% saving will be there. Saving will be what, 90.9%. That is the saving. Oh, so amount of copper required or amount of copper saved कितना होगा, this. More the k, more the saving. Less the k, less the saving. Be careful about it. Okay. So that is the saving. So I had discussed what is auto transformer, what are the advantages, disadvantages, applications, and saving, how the copper will be saved in auto transformer compared to two winding transformer, and also I had discussed the numerical based on that. Okay, so I am stopping it. So I am assuming this unit is over. I will start the unit number 2, that is a parallel operation, polarity test, and three-phase transformer. Okay, so we'll discuss there, and some numerical will be discussed there. Okay, so thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.